Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the Coinbase password. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto three dot lines at the top left corner, right here. Then again tap onto Profile and Settings button at the top. Now scroll down and here we can find the option of Change Security Settings. Now simply tap on it. Now wait for a few seconds and the link will be open to change the password. Finally, here we can find the option of Password. Now simply tap on to Update to change the password. Now the app will send you a code. And simply add the code just like this, and now you can simply change the Coinbase password. Now add the new password and confirm it, and that's it. This is how you can change the password in the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.